Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your time tracking with Toggl, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your time tracking with Toggl, start by creating a free account on the Toggl website. Once you have logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Identify the main features available on the screen. Begin by adjusting your settings to tailor Toggl to your needs. Navigate to the Settings tab in the sidebar. Here, you can customize your profile, including your time tracking preferences. Next, set up your workspace to manage your projects effectively. In the Workspace section, create different projects based on your tasks. Assign specific colors to each project for easy visual identification. Now, add clients if necessary by clicking on the Clients tab. This will help you link specific projects to the respective clients. Once your projects and clients are set up, it's time to start tracking. You can initiate a timer directly from the dashboard or the dedicated timer page. When tracking time, always include a description of the task. This practice adds clarity and helps with future references. If you forget to start the timer, you can manually enter the time later. Click on the Manual Entry option to add your time. Be mindful of entering accurate duration and descriptions. Regularly check your time entries for any discrepancies. Utilize the Reporting feature to review your tracked time. Access this through the Reports section in the sidebar. Explore different report formats to find one that suits your analysis needs. Consider generating weekly or monthly reports to assess your productivity trends. To further optimize your time tracking, integrate Toggl with other tools you use. Explore the Integrations section to connect Toggl with apps like Asana or Trello. This will streamline your workflow and make time tracking more cohesive. Regularly review your time entries and reports to improve your time management skills. Be proactive in analyzing your data to identify areas for improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.